Many of us sleep well, having no problem with a good night's sleep. We wake up refreshed and revitalized the next morning. Yet many of us only dream about a restful sleep. Many of us have severe sleeping disorders and may not be aware of it. Why? Because our inflow and outflow of air is compromised. Therefore, we snore, some light, some heavy. As a result, we mostly wake up groggy and tired, not properly rested because we simply didn't get enough oxygen by breathing through our noses. To compensate for this lack of oxygen, we start breathing through our mouths, and one way or another, this results in snoring, an unfortunate reality for our partner. Yet there are some devices available in the marketplace which claim they help you reduce or stop snoring. But in all cases, none has brought forth the right solution. After many years of research and development, and the help of new technologies and materials, we created a breakthrough for people with sleeping disorders such as snoring. We bring you airmax, a fantastic small device which you easily slide into your nose and which immediately opens up the nasal passages for a better in and out airflow. Even when you're suffering from a cold, airmax helps you get more air and feel much better. More air and less snoring? Use airmax. Feel the difference.